has crossed the line. Local parents asked deputies to go after a man they say is harassing and threatening their children as they leave school.
And all this, Pat, because they are wearing masks. KCAL9's Nicole Comstock live in La Cañada, Flint Ridge, with video of what's happening. Nicole.
Well, this guy confronted these kids wearing a T-shirt that reads, "Your mask makes you look stupid." Parents tell us they don't want to call him any names. They just really want him to stop.
Stay scared. Keep your mask on. That don't even work.
A grown man taunts middle school kids for wearing masks in a La Crescenta parking lot.
Bunch of idiots.
And when another father steps in to defend those kids, the anti-mask tirade escalates.
My kids are forced to wear a mask. So you.
What's the problem? What's the
problem with the mask? You're an idiot. Masks don't work. They're child abuse.
Clearly there is a problem here, not just a mental health issue, but an anger management issue, and an issue where he feels compelled to attack people who are more vulnerable than him.
Concerned parents came to the Crescenta Valley Sheriff's Station Monday to demand an investigation into what some believe rises to the level of criminal harassment. They say this man has been following local middle and elementary school students away from their schools for months, harassing them about their masks.
They were obviously getting scared. He was getting, 3-5 inches away and coughing in their faces.
This parent confronted the man last Thursday and called the sheriff's department, but says when a deputy arrived, he couldn't determine that any crime had occurred.
And decided to lecture these children about freedom of speech instead of taking their names and creating an incident report.
It could rise to annoying children.
Acting Captain Robert Hanline says deputies have identified the man in these videos. And now that they're aware of the ongoing incidents, they are working with Glendale police to investigate.
I sympathy with the parents. If my kids were there and something like this happened, I would be upset too, and I would want something done.
And the Crescenta Valley Sheriff's Station is trying to compile all of these reports, so if you've had a similar incident with this man, give them a call. Reporting live tonight, I'm Nicole Comstock, KCAL 9 News.